The Sindh University campus, Larkana. Department of Business Administration, batch 2K18. Subtopics are: number 1, decision analysis; number 2, the aggregating benefits; number 3, what is probability. Topic 1, decision analysis. Decision analysis. What is decision analysis? Decision analysis therefore involves the decomposition of a decision problem into a set of smaller and hopefully easier to handle problems. Decision analysis. Role of decision analysis. The keyword is analysis, which refers to the process of breaking something down into its constituent parts. The ability of decision analysis to provide an audit trail means that it is possible to use the analysis to produce a defensible rationale for choosing a particular option. Decision analysis raised consciousness, commitment, partial decision analysis, given rationality. Decision analysis. The purpose of decision analysis. Its purpose is to produce insight and promote creativity to help decision makers make better decisions. Application of decision analysis. Improved strategic decision making at DU Point. Structuring decision problems in the International Chernobyl Project. Selecting R&D project at ICI Americas. Petroleum exploration decision at the Phillips Petroleum Company. Topic 1, the anatomy of decisions. Define the problem, identify the criteria, generate alternatives, rate each alternatives on each criterion, compute the optimal decisions. Topic 2, aggregating the benefits. Aggregating the benefits using the editor model. We are going to define these two tasks. Number 1, measure how well each office performs on each attributes. Number 2, weights, which enable us to compare the values allocated to one attribute with the values allocated to the others. This means that we are now in position to find out how well each office performs overall by combining the 6 value scores allocated to that office. Addition square. Attributes, values, weight, value into weight. Number 1, closeness to customers, value 100, weight 32, value into weight 3200. Number 2, visibility, value 60, weight 26, value into weight 1560. Number 3, image, value 100, weight 23, value into weight 2300. Number 4, size, value 75, weight 10, value into weight 750. Number 5, comfort, value 0, weight 6, value into weight no. Number 6, car parking, value 90, weight 3, value into weight 180. Topic, sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis is used to examine how robust the choice of an alternative is to changes in the figures used in the analysis. Carrying out sensitivity analysis should contribute to the decision maker's understanding of his problems, and it may lead him to consider some of the figures he has supplied. Theoretical consideration. Decidability, transitivity, summation, solvability, finite upper and lower bounds for value. Assumptions made when aggregating values. As we pointed out, the use of this model is not appropriate where there is an intersection between the scores on the attributes. In technical terms, in order to apply the model, we need to assume that mutual preference independence exists. Office X Distance from customer's office floor area 3 miles 1000 feet. Y 5 miles 1000 feet. Office B 0 visibility image 100. Q 100 visibility image 0. Using the additive model, the aggregate value of benefits for P will be 40 into 0 plus 60 into 100 is equals to 6000. Example 60 after dividing by 100. 40 into 100 plus 60 into 0 is equals to 4000. Example 40 after dividing by 100. Topic 3 Probability concepts. What are changes of occurrence? Probability, a value between 0 and 1 inclusive, describing the relative possibility, chance or likelihood an event will occur. A probability is frequently expressed as a decimal such as 7 upon 100, 27 upon 100 or 1 upon 2. It can assume any number from 0 to 1 inclusive. 3 keywords are used in the study of probability. Number 1, experiment, a process that leads to the occurrence of one and only one of several possible observations. Number 2, outcome, a particular result of an experiment. Number 3, collection of one or more outcomes of an experiment. Approaches to assigning probability. Number 1, objective, A, classical probability, B, empirical probability. Number 2, subjective. Objective classical probability. Classical probability is based on the assumption that the outcomes of an experiment are equally likely. Probability, number of favorable outcomes. Classical probability of event is equals to total number of possible outcomes. Mutually exclusive, the occurrence of one event means that of the other event can occur at the same time. Collectively exclusive, at least one of the events must occur when an experiment is conducted. If the set of events are collectively exhaustive and the events are mutually exclusive, the sum of the probability is 1. Empirical probability, the probability of an event happening is the fraction of the time similar events happened in the past. Empirical or relative frequency is the second type of objective probability. It is based on the number of times an event occurs as a proportion of known number of trials. In terms of formula, number of times the event occurs, empirical probability is equals to total number of observations. Number 2, subjective probability. Subjective concept of probability, the likelihood probability of a particular event happening that is assigned by an individual based on whatever information is available. If there is little or no experience or information on which to base a probability, it may be arrived at subjectively.